Hello, ma'am and my friends. My name is Rofi Alvarez Finunta. Now I want to explain 16 tenses. First, simple present tense. Uh, Fungsinya biasanya untuk daily activities, habits, and general facts. Dipakai untuk sesuatu yang selalu atau sering terjadi. Uh, Dia menggunakan subject plus verb one. Example, I eat rice every day. Second, present continuous tense. Uh, for action happening right now atau temporar aksi. Sesuatu yang sedang terjadi sekarang atau sementara. Dia menggunakan subject plus am is are plus verb ing. Example, I am studying now. Third, present perfect tense. Uh, Biasanya dia digunakan untuk action that has happened dan pengalaman. Dia menggunakan subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Example, she has finished her homework. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. For action that started in the past and still continues now. Dia menggunakan subject plus have or has been plus verb ing. Example, I have been studying for 2 hours. Dia juga fokus ke durasi biasanya. Terus number 5, simple past tense. Biasanya digunakan for complete action in the past. Terus dia menggunakan subject plus verb to. Example, I went to school yesterday. Number 6, past continuous tense. For action, sebuah progress in the past atau digunakan saat ada interupsi. Dia menggunakan subject plus was atau were plus verb ing. Example, I was sleeping when you called. Number 7, past perfect tense. Biasanya untuk menunjukkan urutan sequence di masa lalu. Dia menggunakan subject plus had plus verb 3. Example, I had eaten before you came. Number 8, past perfect continuous tense. Fungsinya for long action sebelum another past action. Dia menggunakan subject plus had been plus verb ing. Example, I had been studying for hours before the exam. Number 9, simple future tense. Fungsinya itu biasanya digunakan prediksi, promise, decision at the moment. Dia menggunakan subject plus will plus verb one. Example, I will help you. Number 10, future continuous tense. Dia juga kalau dia digunakan untuk action that will be in process in the future. Dia menggunakan subject plus will be plus verb ing. Example, I will be studying at 8 p.m. Number 11, future perfect tense. For action complete sebelum a certain time in the future. Dia menggunakan subject plus will have plus verb 3. Example-nya itu I will have finished my homework by 9 p.m. And number 12. Future perfect continuous tense. For duration until a certain time in the future. Dia menggunakan subject plus will have been plus verb ing. Example, I will have been studying for 3 hours. Number 13, simple past future. For future plan, melihat from the past. Dia menggunakan subject plus would plus verb one. Example, I would go if I had time. Number 14, past future continuous. Dia juga digunakan untuk action that would be ongoing in the past. Dia menggunakan subject plus would be plus verb ing. Example, I would be studying. Number 50, past future perfect. For something that should have happened but didn't. Dia menggunakan subject plus would have plus verb 3. Example, I would have passed the exam. And last, number 60, past future perfect continuous. Untuk long duration, durasi panjang sebuah aksi in past future. Dia menggunakan subject plus would have been plus verb ing. Example, I would have been studying. Thank you.